So guys, before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Now let's take a look at our USDJPY, a quick analysis for the week. You can see it daily time frame, full trend. It's an uptrend move, a bullish move upward. Then we've highlighted some key levels here. If you are following this channel, you would have seen how we got to this all this key level and how we highlighted it. So now this is it. We've highlighted this key level here where our price came into test here and it bounced up, and it has also come here again and bounce up. We would now take this as a support level here again, and we can see that this our price also drop again to this level and it is pushing up. So this week we would want to still see a continuous bullish move, at least to take out this our highs, which is about 135.647. Currently we are trading at 133. I would want to see our price go up to 135. Then we might see a breakout and bullish continuous movement upward, or we might see our price drop again and very much likely starting to range within this area here. So first of all, we would want to go bullish it about 135. We are currently trading at 133, so let's go to 135. Then probably our price can continue to go bullish, or it might start going bearish. Now on our 4-hour time frame, see the same thing, an uptrend move. As we can see it, higher highs retracement, higher highs pullback. Now we are expecting another higher highs, then a pullback around here, another higher highs, probably they will pull back, another higher highs again, and a pullback probably on that our 4-hour time frame. So that's exactly what we are aiming for. See, it's our level, which is 135 for the week.